Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Skrive ChatGPT plugin that you can use to envision your concepts through diagrams, flowchart, and this tool allows you to create and modify diagrams within the ChatGPT interface. So before I will show you an actual example on how to activate and use the Skrive ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on the Skrive ChatGPT plugin where I talk about some of the use cases of this Skrive plugin, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use the Skrive ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in more details, make sure to check out this article. I will link it in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see how to use the Skrive ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use and activate the plugin, you have to make sure that you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription at the time of recording this video. This might change in the future because a Plus subscription is necessary to be able to enable the plugins feature in your account. And once the plugins feature is enabled, all you have to do is click on New Chat. Then by default GPT 3.5 is selected. You have to select GPT-4 and then select plugins. Then you have to install the Skrive ChatGPT plugin, and you can do that by scrolling down on the installed plugin list, click on Plugin Store, search for Skrive and install the plugin. As you can see, it's already installed for me, so all I have to do is enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so let's see how we can prompt this plugin. So it's activated and a flowchart will be created. So I'm going to use the following prompt: create a flowchart from this process. And then I have added a process here, which is about how a customer can check out on an e-commerce website. By the way, this was also generated with ChatGPT to create a nice example. Then if the plugin is enabled, all we have to do is click on send message here. So as you can see, the plugin has been activated by ChatGPT. So because ChatGPT is able to understand our natural language in our ChatGPT prompts, so you don't have to use any kind of function. If you are specific enough in your ChatGPT prompt, ChatGPT will activate the necessary plugin, in this case the Skrive plugin. So as you can see, it has sent a request to the Skrive plugin, and this is what we get here. So we have a nice flowchart here, and we can click here to view it in a new tab. And we can check out that this has created a perfect flowchart. So with nice if and yes and no statements. As you can see, if the user wants to buy the product, it goes to the next step. If no, it goes back to the previous step. So if the payment is successful, for instance, the order is confirmed. If it's not successful, user is asked to try again. So of course, this is just an example. You can create more complex flowcharts or other charts using the Skrive plugin. And of course, you can interact with the plugin. So if you want to change this flowchart, you can also do that using the plugin. So all in all, this is how to use the Skrive ChatGPT plugin. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, for instance, the Show Me Diagrams ChatGPT plugin is able to do similar stuff in ChatGPT. And I also have a ton of tutorials on other data analysis and visualization ChatGPT plugin, but also plugins for finance, cryptocurrency trading, business, scientific research, SEO, marketing. So basically any use case you can think of. So make sure to check out my YouTube channel, and more tutorials are coming up, so also subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.